Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to show you how to post a lot of comments across all the Facebook groups that contain our potential customers. This is the interface of the software. In order to use this comment posting tool, first we need to prepare some content. To create content, you just need to go to the content management section here, content management. Next, we add a new category. For example, if we're selling products, we would add a category called sales. You can enter your product name here. For example, if it's fruit, then we just write fruit here. After we've added a category here, we click on the category to add a post. We select the category type as the one we just created. Next, for the type, we set it as comment type. For the title, you can write something like orange, apple, or any type of food to make it easy to distinguish. Just enter it here. For example, apple. Next, for the content section, you just need to enter information like selling apples or selling any product here. Next, we add special, valid, or random characters so that when we post our content, it will be more flexible and varied, helping to avoid Facebook scanning. You can also add images here. After adding the images, just click save and you'll have a complete piece of content like this. So if you want to comment in all the groups, please pay attention to the comment configuration section. Next, click on the comment section and select your Facebook account. Then set up the general configuration here, for example, the interval between two actions. Please note here in the add content section, we add the content that we previously created. Check this content, then save. After that, you will need to carefully enter the specific group links where you intend to distribute the relevant information and content. For example, here, I have already prepared a list of 200 groups. Then we click save. Next, we just need to set up the instructions below. I have already meticulously set everything up here, ensuring all necessary configurations and parameters are precisely in place for optimal performance. Once every single aspect of the system is thoroughly set up and completely prepared, with all checks and balances confirmed, you can then confidently click the start button. Upon activation, the sophisticated tool will then seamlessly and efficiently utilize our designated Facebook accounts to diligently collect all the relevant content mentioned above. This includes a wide array of information, updates, and engaging material. Subsequently, it will proceed to strategically post this collected content to all the specified groups listed below, effectively disseminating comments, valuable insights, and crucial information to reach and engage with all the potential customers present within those particular groups, thereby maximizing outreach and engagement. So, to avoid wasting time waiting, I'll pause this operation and we'll check to see if we posted successfully. As you can see here, we've successfully posted 4 comments. So let's go to the comment history section, scroll down below, copy these links, and then we just go to Google to check them. There, for example, here's a successful comment. Next, let's check the other links. Here's another successful comment. There, it's successful again. So in the previous video, I showed everyone how to spread comments across all the groups that contain potential customers. If you find this video helpful and like this tool, you can contact me directly and I will guide you on how to operate it as well as provide solutions for effective marketing. Thank you for watching my video.